In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a YouTube video to MP3 safely. Before we begin, a quick reminder to respect copyright and YouTube's terms of service. Only convert content you own, created yourself, or that's explicitly licensed for this kind of use. With that in mind, let's walk through the process clearly and safely. Start by opening the YouTube video you want to convert. Make sure it's the exact version you need, check the title and channel, and pause the video so nothing distracts you as you set things up. It helps to keep the tab open while you complete the rest of the steps. Next, copy the video link using the Share button found just below the video player. Click Share, then choose Copy Link. You should now have the video's URL saved to your clipboard, ready to paste into the converter. Now open a YouTube to MP3 converter in your browser. Go to a trusted website like ytmp3.cc, y2mate.com, or flvto.biz. If one site is slow or unavailable, try another from that list. As you navigate, be cautious of pop-ups, fake download buttons, or requests to install extra software. Those aren't necessary for a simple conversion. If something looks off, close the tab and try a different site. In the converter page, paste the YouTube link into the input field. After pasting, the site will usually display the video title or a thumbnail so you can confirm you've got the right link. If it doesn't look right, go back and copy the link again. Choose MP3 as your output format. If the site offers audio quality options, know that higher bit rates like 192 or 320 kbps give better sound but larger file sizes, while 128 kbps is smaller and usually fine for voice content. If you're unsure, the default MP3 setting is typically a safe pick. Click Convert or Start and let the website process the video. This can take a few seconds to a minute, depending on the video length and your connection. When it's ready, select Download to save the MP3. If a new tab opens with an ad, close it and return to the original page to click the Real Download button. Save the file to your Downloads folder, then play it to verify the audio quality and that it captured the right content. Rename the file so it's easy to find later. Tip: always use trusted converters and avoid downloading anything suspicious to keep your device safe. Keeping your browser and security software up to date adds an extra layer of protection. And that's it. Simple, clean, and safe. Thanks for watching.